Good morning, viewers. I am reporting live from a busy roadside area where a large of food vendors can be seen selling their products. Along the street, many stalls offer a wide variety of food and beverage, attracting both local residents and visitors. The atmosphere here is lively, with customers continuously stopping by to buy snacks, meals, and drinks. The presence of this food vendor not only provides convenience food opinion for the community but also creates economic opportunity for local sellers. This is the current situation of the location. I'm Azraelia Kismika reporting live.